In an Ultra course, you might see an item that looks like a rainbow burst icon with a link next to it. This is a Kaltura video embedded in the course content. Kaltura is UAA's media recording and storage solution, and it's integrated directly into Blackboard. So if you click one of those links, a video player will pop up. And to leave the video player, click the X in the top left corner. You might also see a Kaltura video embedded in a document. It's playable there directly in the document as well. If your instructor has recorded videos in a certain way with multiple feeds, like a webcam and video, then there might be some unique ways that you can interact with those videos. When you open up one of these links or see a Kaltura video in a document or an item, once you start playing it, you see the main screen as well as a small webcam in the corner. On the right side, you see a hide option, a single arrow pointing out and two arrows pointing to the right and left. These are different ways you can customize the view of this video. If you click the hide option, it minimizes the second video so that you're able to see one of the videos full screen. In this case, it's the screen recording. You can click show to pop that second video back up. If you click the arrow that looks like it's pointing out of a box, that will open up a side-by-side view so that you can see both the screen and the webcam fully. In the corners of these videos, you see a couple arrows pointing out to the corners, and that would expand the view of whichever video you click on. And if you want to switch which video you're looking at quickly, you can click these two side-by-side arrows to switch the screen. You'll also notice that you can click and drag the window around if you need to view different areas of the second screen. There are a few other tools to point out in the top right corner. The eye with a circle around it will open up the video info, which includes the title and who posted it. The icon next to it, that's a box with some lines in it, is a transcript. And so if you click on that, you'll be able to read the transcript alongside of where you're viewing the video. To the left of that is a magnifying glass, and this would search in the video. So if you're trying to find something specific, you can just search for that, and it will show you all the places where that appears in the captions. And if you click on one of those, it will jump directly to that point in the video. In the menu bar along the bottom, you'll see some typical player options: a play-pause button, two circling arrows that allow you to skip backwards and forwards 10 seconds, the running time of the video, as well as a navigation bar here where you can jump around in the video. And on the right side, you can see a volume control where you can mute, unmute, or turn it up and down, the CC button to enable or disable captions, the settings icon, which allows you to choose the captions and select advanced caption settings, where you can customize the view of your captions for something that works best for you. You may have an option to choose the quality of the video if you have reduced bandwidth, and you have the option to change the speed of the video. So if you need to play it slower, you can play it at 0.75 or up to 2 times the speed. It is normal by default. The other two options down here in the corner, this is a picture-in-picture, which would be helpful if you're viewing it in a document, so we'll take a look at that in a second. Not so helpful if you're viewing a large player window video like this. And the last one is the full screen option, so that would allow you to pop out to a full screen view. Let's take a look quickly at the video in a document. So if I open up a document that has a Kaltura video embedded in it, it will show the same player window that we were just taking a look at. So you have the same options to control your view. You still have the transcript options and all of your player options down here. Now the picture-in-picture is more helpful in a document like this. If you pop it out, then you'll see that it shows up down here in the corner, and you could, if there was more text, you could scroll around in it and read the text that's around the video while the video is playing down here. And you can click to go back to the tab. So hopefully this is helpful in learning how you can interact with your instructor's Kaltura videos a bit more.